guys, it's Sonia Miller. Welcome back to my show, Living the Creative Life. Today is another one of those special shows of sorts. It's one of those reflective days. I just got out of the shower. Yes, my hair is even still wet. And on today's vlog that I'm putting together for you, it's hard to believe that it was this week that I was in Florida at Universal Studios in checking out the whole world of Harry Potter. I got my house, a Slytherin shirt on and all that jazz. Anybody else a Harry Potter fan? Yes, I've seen all the movies. After being back this week, I have been calling around all the used bookstores so I can go ahead and read the entire series. I'm so excited. And today is one of those days as well, like where you just wanna today feels like a dark day. It feels like a Harry Potter kind of day, right? There's snow outside, it's overcast, and it just feels like one of those relaxing kind of days to me. So I thought it would be fun to share my travels with you. I would have to say my three favorite parts would be, number one, the wand shop. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. You'll see that in here. Number two, seeing that dragon. You'll see the dragon in the alleyway, and it's huge. It's over like the town center, and it breathes fire. And I kid you not, if you are in the vicinity down below, it's not only like a loud noise, a rumbling noise, it's a dragon breathing fire, but you feel the heat as well. After a while you were there, it was really funny to people watch as new people came into that area. You hear the rumblings, you knew he was about to blow fire, and then you'd watch the people below who just had no idea. Oh, is my house showing or what? But yeah, that was a little fun to people watch and see them maybe be a little bit like, what the heck was that? Or is that, you know? So that was funny. And then number three was definitely Hogwarts train. And so you'll see me have footage of this here where you get on the train and the train literally connects the two worlds that exist in two parts of Universal Studios to be able to make up the world of Harry Potter, or the world that at least he lives in the books. So what a blast. I hope you guys enjoy it. Do you want to go?
Nocturne Alley.
What is it, pumpkin juice?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just put all that footage together for you, and sitting behind the camera and just watching all that again, I kid you not, I am ready to go back. Me and Matt both left feeling like we could live here. We could totally live here. And did you see all those distressed buildings and the colors and the time worn and that just that feel, that vibe that it gives? Oh my goodness, I had so much fun there. and I'm just glad that I got a chance to catch it on camera to share it with you guys. And if you ever get to go to Universal Studios, go check out the world that you just saw. It's pretty cool as well that they hide part of it behind a brick wall, and you don't even know what's inside until you go through this archway to like experience it, which is pretty darn cool. But maybe you have something on your bucket list as well. Tell me below, like, what is something that maybe you have plans that you will get to? So share with me what's on your bucket list. All right, guys, I will be back in the studio again tomorrow, and we will be making and creating. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you then. Bye.